Hey guys, not quick here, and I just want to show you something. This is when I was trying to edit a video, and what happened was I was about to sneeze, so I moved my hand to like sneeze into my elbow, and what happened was I accidentally hit that red record button on the bottom left and the bottom right corner. I accidentally hit it when I was moving my arm, so I recorded it just before I sneezed. So here I'll it's funny as hell. I don't know if that was too quiet. Wait, I'll show it to you guys again. Oh, did I accidentally hit record? It was funny. So, yeah. Yeah, that's all. That's all I wanted to show you. That's how I sneeze, guys. Believe it or not. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I guess. All right, bye, guys. See ya.